What's up, guys? This is KNG to the JEH of Wall Street. Now, my channel has been just less busy for the past 5 days, and we actually had light issue like electricity problem in Nigeria here, so I've not been able to shoot, right, because of my setup is not gonna be that bright. But I felt like my channel has been down for 5 days. Let's just cook up something. So using my window light right now, I'm just gonna give you guys a few details of what this video is about. So I've not hit any take profit this week, but I'm currently on a trade that is in profits, and I also have another setup for next week. So this video is going to be a market forecast video. I'm going to give the setups live on this video. And if you hit take profit or stop loss, I'm going to come back and give details about that. So watch to the end so that you're going to see the setups. One is on EURUSD and one is USDJPY. And if you eventually hit take profit, I mean, joy. If you're a forex trader, you also have what you're willing to risk. It's not like it's your last card or it's a short setup, that kind of thing. There's no such thing as a short setup. But if you have anything you're willing to risk that you can afford to lose, then this video is for you. This video is shot on 19th of June. Is today 19th? Okay, sorry, 20th of June. So just take the entry, or probably if you're seeing this next week by 21st or 22nd, and let's swing the trades to take profit. Don't forget, like if this video is gonna be worth it by the time you watch to the end, and also subscribe if you feel like you want to see more of this. So let's get into the video. Starting this video, I have a USDJPY setup. Now, how did I get this setup? I went to the weekly. First of all, I did my analysis on the weekly. Then I scroll to the daily. Now from the daily, I have a point of interest here that I expect price to come to. Then down to 4 hours, I kept going, and then you can see I have a 4-hour breaker block, and then I have this trend line liquidity. Then when I went down to the 1 hour, that was when I found this point of interest here for entry. Now this pullback here was my liquidity. You can see yesterday price took out the liquidity and immediately price tapped into this other block. I called for a sell from the confirmation, and the sell has started. Now this setup, we have our structure, we are bearish, this is our liquidity, and this is our point of interest, and it has triggered. So if you're watching this video, you can actually get in. This is a 39.97 risk to reward ratio. It's already started, right? I sent the signal yesterday to my free Telegram channel, and the link is gonna be in my bio. So this is just a probability, right? There's nothing that is sure, but I mean, that's that about the first one. Now the second one is a Euro USD setup. A friend of mine reached out to me today. He was trying to buy Euro USD from somewhere around here, right? So he now asked me to check Euro USD and tell me what I'm seeing. So I just went to the daily. When I went to the daily, I saw that price made a higher high, higher low, right? And then another higher high. Now price has taken liquidity above this high and is expected to pull down to 50% or more before continuing the uptrend. Now if you draw your Fibonacci tool from this point, I drew my Fibonacci. You can see you're expecting price to go below 50%. Now first take profit is going to be around this 50%, 0.5. Then the second take profit is going to be very far below this liquidity here that I'm targeting. Now I also want to use this daily order block. So this is going to be the point of interest that I'm going to be anticipating for price to get to. But before price does that, it has to sell down. Now if you look here, you can see my point of interest is in line with a daily order block. This is why this stuff is like high probability. You can see it's in line with this daily order block here. So now, how did I get this sell entry? This is going to be a swing trade actually. It's going to take days to play out. When I went down to After I got that set up, I now went down to 1 hour. You can see from 3 hours, we have another block in line with this. If I go down to 2 hours, we also have another block in line. If I go down to 1 hour, that's when I now got the other block I'm going to use. So this is going to be the sell. This is a 34.96 risk to reward ratio if you check even from the 4-hour time frame. So it's also going to be a swing trade to this downside. And hopefully, price is going to get there. And then we're going to look for how to continue our buys from somewhere around this angle. Now this is how I do my analysis. So here our structure is bullish. This is our liquidity that we're waiting for price taker, and this is our point of interest. So if we're going to first take the sell, when price gets there, then we're going to take a buy. Now if you want to learn how to analyze charts like me, I actually train and mentor people on how to do this, so that the link of that is going to be in the description. But for now, just take the risk and place these trades on your account, and we're gonna do a video when the trade either goes in the right way or in the wrong direction. So thank you. Remember, only trade before you are willing to lose. Then like and subscribe to this channel also. I'll see you later. Bye.